your heart is my cell. I will write you a poem. You rang at the gym. I will paper to pen. The rest can stand and stare. You were 10 over 10. You were 10 over 10. Back in the beginning, I don't wanna see this. I love the way the pretty boy.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko Emeka Moses of the Omenoko Lifestyle channel.
Omenoko one.
Welcome to my channel today. Today is day 52 of our beans farming experiment in dry season, and today is also 30th of March 2025. Like you all know, we are waiting for beans to produce flowers. Flowers, day 52 out of 35. So we have 23 more days thereabout. Well, since I don't want to just be showing you beans that have not really developed past the stage where it is today, I want to talk about the price of beans in the market today. It so happened that we bought beans yesterday, and I was surprised to note that the price of beans have come down. It has come down. And it has come down drastically. You know, it's not good when something good is happening. When something bad is happening, you're talking about it, and when the good ones start happening, you're not talking about it. Remember when I went to buy beans, the one I planted last year, 2024? I bought the beans for about 3,500 naira per mudu. Beans sold around this time, August last year, for 3,000 naira per mudu. The first time I planted beans, I think it was in 2021 or 2022. A mudu of beans that time sold for about 500 naira per mudu. 2021 or 2022. A mudu of beans sold for about 500 naira per mudu. I can't remember if that's the period, but I know the first time I planted beans sold for 500 naira per mudu. Then last year, beans went up to about 2,200 naira per mudu. Last year was 2024. Around this time last year, April last year, yes, we're in March. Today is March 30th. April last year, beans sold for 2,200. Then before the planting season in August, beans had already started selling for 3,500 naira per mudu. So I was surprised yesterday. The ones that we harvested last year had a lot of people to give beans to, so it didn't last. That's finished. So I've bought beans quite a couple of times. So yesterday's one was very I was fascinated to hear the price of beans. It might vary slightly because I asked one or two people. Someone was selling for 2,200, but we actually bought beans for 1,700 naira per mudu. And I want to say that's quite impressive. The fact that it has come down that much, something is happening. I know the cost of fuel in Nigeria fuels everything, the cost of everything in Nigeria. So I know it has been dropping from like 1,002, it has dropped to about 900 and right now. Courtesy, I think, Dangote. I don't know. But I was surprised to buy beans yesterday at 1,700 naira per mudu. 2 mudu for 3,400 naira. That's awesome. That's awesome. Around this time last year, it was selling for 2,200. But during the farming season, it was selling for 3,500. So if beans is now selling for 1,700, that is divided by 2. Wow. That's great news. So maybe something is happening right in the economy, or maybe there's just excessive beans available. Maybe we had more people that went into agriculture last year, and I want to believe it's also part of it. A lot of people have gone into farming, and you know, when there is what will I call it, In according to economics, force of demand and supply, when there is excess of goods and little buyers, the price drops. Maybe a lot of people have gone into farming. Literally everybody in this estate where I reside farms. So you can imagine nobody in this estate buys beans because everybody farms beans in large quantity. So imagine if it's like that everywhere. Everybody has a portion of land where they are growing their own crops that they eat. Food, the cost of food will be forced to come down. One of the US presidents said, farming is the most noble thing to do. Is the most noble thing to do. So, beans 1,700, and there is every likelihood it might further drop. There's every likelihood it may further drop. So let's see how it goes before the beans farming period officially starts in August. Yesterday night, early this morning, rain fell. The first major rain we're experiencing in this year. It fell in the night. So very soon we'll start planting yams. This experiment I'm doing every day, I will shoot the video throughout the whole period every day for the yam farming season we're entering. I'll do this video also. I will film every day during the yam from planting to harvest. I will deliver at least 5 to 10 minutes video or 5 to 15 to 20 minutes video every day. As we enter this yam farming season, I'll be showing you what I do every day. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time and you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. We are in for a roller coaster. Please, I still have just 2,095 subscribers. Kindly get me to 3,000 subscribers. I have 2,095 subscribers as at today, 30th of March 2025. Please, if you're watching my content and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It will not cost you anything. Also like the video. Just hit like on this video. It won't cost you anything. So the cost of beans in Nigeria has dropped. In Abuja, I don't know of other regions. So if Abuja is selling 1,700, maybe other regions will be selling cheaper. So in case you have plans to farm beans, I don't know if before August, maybe it will go back up. But for now, I think there's excessive beans. So buy your beans now if you intend to farm beans this year, 2025. Buy now and stock up. Or if it drops, store. You don't build. But if it does not drop and it increases, you gain. Because as at the time we're planting beans last year, which was August, is less than a year. In fact, it's just about August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Just 7 months ago, beans was sold for 3,500 naira. Right now, beans is selling for 1,700 naira. White beans. Lima beans, which is the butter beans which I planted, is normally like 200 naira more or 100 naira more. So that will be selling for probably 1,800 naira or 1,900 naira. So this is the time for you to buy the beans if you have intentions to plant. If you have intentions to plant beans this season, this is the time to buy beans. So we'll go straight to the garden and I'll show you what the garden looks like today, what the beans looks like today. We're expecting flowers. Day 52 of the beans farming experiment in dry season. We're already gradually entering the rainy season, so I expect this to produce. If there is anybody that is doing this experiment and his beans have produced, please let us know in the comment section, and also send me video link so that I can see it and analyze. I'll also give your page a shout out in a positive light so people can visit your page and see what you're doing. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, get me up to 3,000 subscribers. I want to get 3,000 subscribers. You can also follow me on Facebook, Omenoko Emeka Moses, or on TikTok also, Omenoko Lifestyle, Omenoko Emeka Moses. Thank you very much. Also go and listen to my song I released, Hello Missy. Then we have another one that is coming up, Dance Anthem. The songs are already out anyways, but I'm officially releasing it through DistroKid on all streaming platforms across the world. Wherever you are in the world, you can see my video. You can use it to do your shorts, you can use it to do your TikTok videos and all that. Hello Missy. Let me just give you a line from the song. Hello pretty darling, smile always sparkling, put you in the workforce, brain so sterling, work so hard, slaying so harder. Last time I saw you were rocking on Prada, raised by your father, maybe he's a doctor. Anytime I see you, my heart is beating faster. So that's a line from the track. Go listen to it. Very nice song. You can use it to do your TikTok videos and all that. I'll be glad to see it out there trending. So thank you very much. Basibe, let me go video the garden so you can see that if we have flowers already out there. Thank you very much. God bless you. Basibe. So day 50 of our beans farming experiment. We don't have flowers yet. We don't have flowers yet. These are dried up ones. The King Kali. So doesn't seem like we have flowers yet, and doesn't seem like flowers are coming out anytime soon. So we don't have flowers yet, and it doesn't seem like flowers want to come out anytime soon. So we'll keep waiting. 30th of March 2025. Yes, Lion King Mufasa, I ain't trying to retire.
Maybe he's a doctor. Anytime I see you, my heart's beating faster. Lion King Mufasa, I ain't trying to retire. Slowing down like Simba, you telling me go harder.
So go check it out. It's on Spotify, it's on iHeartRadio, it's on iTunes Music, it's on Apple Music, it's on Tidal, and every other Shazam and every other streaming platform you know out there. The song is the Hello Missy by G-Bax. Go stream my song. Thank you.
Come on. Hello pretty darling, smile always sparkling, put you in the workforce, brain so started, work so hard, slaying so harder. Last time I saw you were rocking